Hello everybody. Today our topic is bearing angles. First of all, I would like to explain where do we use and why do we use bearing angles in daily life. Bearing angles are crucial for navigation, especially in daily life. Communicate between captains of vessels is essential. Bearing angles helps captain their relatively position. It means in that way they explain the bearing angles explain the captain where is the other the vehicles. Let's start the topics. First of all, bearing angles they always use the north direction. According to north direction, explain where you are. I want to explain something or remind you something. If there is two north, okay, X angles is here and the Y angles here in between this side and this side. So X plus Y always equals to 180. Now, let's continue. Bearing angles use the north direction and to clockwise direction to calculate the bearing angles. It means from A to B, you will do that. You will measure the in between this AN and AB. To measure the B angles, bearing angles of B, you will do that from north to move clockwise direction. And I will show you some example to explain clearly. For example, we are here. Bearing angles of B, don't forget B, from A. From A we are here. What is the bearing angles of B from A? So we need to calculate these angles. Let's look like the other side. We are looking for the bearing angles of A from B, we are here. So we start the journey of the angles from north to clockwise direction, and these angles going to be what? Are the bearing angles. Okay, we need to remember that one. It is the north side, east side, south, and west. If you want to measure the bearing angles, you need to start the north direction, like that. From here to here, it is 90 degrees. So if you move 180, 270, and wherever you wish, you can stop. And if you go, you will make a one circle. Now, let's do the example. For example, from A, it means that you are the captain of the ship A, and where is the angle? The B, aeroplane or ship B. So you are here. So from the north direction, 40 degrees. Okay, stop, and it means the B is somewhere here. What we don't know distance between U and B. We just know the angles. Okay, we are talking about this angle 40. It is too much big. This angle between A and B is 40 degrees. So, one more example to clarify everything. For example, from A, bearing angles of B is 140 degrees. So what I will do, we are here. So what I will do, I start the measure the angle from north to clockwise. Okay, so it is 140. So I will go, for example, I don't know how much, the ship B is away from A, but I know it is on this way. So it is 140 degree, this part, and this part is going to be automatically 40 degree. Okay, but it is not the bearing angle. This is the bearing